Hello, today I bought mystery box for $1, for $5, for $10, $100, and for $1,000. Let's open all these mystery boxes and see if I'm a plus. Let's start with the smallest and cheapest mystery box. If you shake it, you can't hear anything, as if it were completely empty, but I think there must be something there. Let's open it. Wow! Look, it's a chrome Lego astronaut. By the way, I have exactly the same one. It will be a great addition to my collection. Let's get him out of there. Look how cool it is. It's all shimmering. The second box looks more interesting. It's in the form of a case, and inside there is something rattling. I can't even imagine what could possibly be there. And I open. Whoa! There really is a fortune in Lego money here. Mystery box cost $5. Yes, unfortunately, I didn't break even from this mystery box, but I will use this Lego money in my creations. Let's move on to the third mystery box. In its form, it is no less interesting than the case, and by the sound, you can hear that there is a larger object there. So, how do you open it? Ah, here we have the lid opening. Let's lift it like this. I think I understand what lies there. Let's get it. Here are Minecraft minifigures, and there are more. This is the iron golem, and the last one, the sheep. And besides, here we got 2 sheep, an iron golem with movable limbs. There were also 2 Alex minifigures from Minecraft, one with a stone pickaxe and the other with a diamond one. Let's put it in our hand, and here we have such a mini Minecraft village, considering that each minifigure costs $3. And even more so, there is an iron golem, which costs several times more. Then this mystery box has completely paid for itself. I was very pleased here. And now comes the big, beautiful secret box. This $100 mystery box is really hefty. Well, shall we open it? But let's do this. I'll open it, and you'll like this video right now. So, I'm waiting. Pressed. All. To open it, you need to bend this top cover, remove it, and, guys, what is this? From your angle it looks like it's a gray box, but if I turn it like this, it's a different matter. This is a big safe, but besides it there are some other items, 2 mini revolvers, and basically that's it. I suppose it won't be possible to open it just like that. We'll try to pull the handle, but no, the safe is closed. Let's see what we have here. It's a safe with a combination lock. To open it you need to enter the correct combination, but for some reason I don't see any numbers here. Our task becomes at least 10 times more difficult. The door is still closed. We try to turn it all around at random, but in my opinion this strategy is wrong. Let's scroll like this. Do you hear? The lock. It opens, and yes, the safe is unlocked. Just look at how complex the castle is here. But I figured it out in just a couple of seconds. And inside this safe there are real jewels. There are gold bars, keys, and some crystals up there. Yes, the safe is really cool. Not only is it detailed, but it also has such an intricate lock. And I bought these mystery boxes for $1,000. If you look closer, you can see a huge layer of dust on them. The thing is that these boxes used to be in an abandoned house, and when this house got a new owner, he found them in his closet and decided to sell them. And then I appeared, who was ready to buy it all, because most likely there is something valuable there. Let's start with the blue box. Here I understand a little what it contains. We open it. And oh yes, these are trains, but it seems to me that they are not the only ones here. There is such a train here. Next comes, as I understand it, a freight train, after which there are 2 cars, as well as an electrician. This is the control panel. There's also a battery pack. By the way, it's still charged. Another remote control, tank car, and besides the trains, there is a green inflatable boat and an orange inflatable rescue boat, which looks more interesting. Next come the cars. This is some kind of loader, although it is all dusty. Here's a police SUV, although I don't know what set it's from, but it looks unusual too. Oh, yes, these are sports boats. One is red and the other is green. At the bottom there was also a truck, a mini boat, and 3 motorcycles. That's all I got from the blue box, but we still have the next one. There seem to be some kind of bricks inside, but by the way, I also need them for my creations. We open. No, these are not bricks. This is a railway. Apparently it was for these trains. Let's check the small boat first.
Bruh.
And next in line are 2 sports boats. They even have propellers and they must float 100%. I take them and put them in the bath. Oh yes, they float. And don't even sink. Just look at them, what a beauty they are. And let's check the green boat. I throw it, but for some reason it sank. Maybe I threw it wrong. Now let's build a railroad with obstacles to test the train. The railway is ready. There is also a remote control for the train, but it will be very inconvenient to control the train, so it needs to be slightly modernized. We take the Technic and insert them here. Now it will be much easier for them to control the train. First, I need to check the train to see if it is working at all, and I immediately attach all the cars to it. I take the remote control, turn on the train, the light is on, and the remote control is also connected to it. For some reason the train is not moving. Oh, he went off the rails. I repaired the train and now it is exactly on its tracks. I take the remote control and switch it to forward motion. Of course he rides hard, but he still rides. I speed up. Even faster. Even faster. Even faster. Even faster. First test passed. In the second challenge, I take a Lego minifigure and put it right under the wheels of the train. The remote control is in your hands. The train is also on the rails, and it's moving. He drives, 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 approaches the minifigure, and what will happen to her? Oh no, looks like we have a problem. Let's try to give it back. And now, by some miracle, the police car ends up in exactly the same place, but our train doesn't think about stopping and picks up speed. While it accelerates, we watch what happens to the car. And at the last test, why do you think I removed all the cars from the train and left him alone? And all because that same huge mystery box is standing in the way. And now you will need to gain maximum speed in order to break through it. Keep an eye on him. Well, in terms of the payback of all this, did I even get a profit from the last mystery boxes? In it we came across this train. If anything, it was a Lego City set, which, if my memory is correct, was sold about 10 years ago. Previously, such a set cost about $100, which was a lot at that time, but now considering that this train is in very good condition, it is almost like new. There was not a single speck of dust on it, so this set can be considered truly rare, and I priced it at $200 because you can't buy it anywhere now. Our next train is more modern. It came with just such a battery with a new remote control. Now such a set can be purchased for $60, after which there's a rescue boat, but it is cheap, probably $10. Then a police car is also $10, maybe $20. A truck cab is $10, no more. And here is such a loader with a hook. In fact, there is nothing valuable here, and this can also be estimated at $20 to $30 as a maximum, so I went into the minus from this boxing. But another thing makes me happy is that these trains will be in the next video. It really will be full of action. Well, that's all. I think you also want a continuation of this section just like me. I will gladly buy even more mystery boxes, but you need to like, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments how many mystery boxes should I buy next time and for what amount. That's all. Thank you everyone. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next videos.